G'day, cheer.
Hello.
Welcome to today's workshop update.
Hi, how's it going? I'm Peter.
Yeah, what are you doing today, Peter?
I'm just about to have lunch.
Rice or noodles?
Rice today. Is that alright?
No, rice is good.
Yeah, rice today.
All right, let's get to Abdul. Dula, what are you doing today?
Today, I am pulling this motor out.
What are you doing to this car? What car is it?
This car is a 35 GTR.
Come on, bro. Put some enthusiasm in it. Jeez, it's not a formal video.
It's a R35 GTR.
Well done, rocket scientist. Jeez, look at that. Why are you pulling the motor out, Dula?
It's got some blow-by issues, so we're gonna pull it down and inspect it and see what's going on with it. And put bigger turbos.
And what's been done to it already?
It's got a NOS kit.
Oh.
And what else has it got?
Nitrous kit. That's a wet shot too. Look at this.
Damn.
Is that a 4-port or a 3-port, Abdul?
Looks like a 2-port there.
2-port.
So what turbo kit is on it now?
It's got some HKS 800 horsepower turbo kit.
Yeah.
Not sure where exactly the model of it,
Yeah.
but that's what I heard.
Yeah. How much power did it make? Do you know?
It made, I think, about 600 horsepower before. 600 or?
I think 600 kilowatts. I think he meant.
Yeah, 600 kilowatts.
I love the pressure here.
600
This
kilowatts.
is the best. Cheer interviewing them, they're so paranoid. They don't want to get anything wrong, but they're getting everything wrong.
He's got everything right.
Yeah, it's got about 600 kilowatts.
Was this tuned by you, Abdul?
No, it wasn't tuned by me. It was tuned by the best Ryan.
Rhino from where?
Rhino from...
From Indonesia, isn't it? Or Brunei?
Fastest man in freaking Malaysia, bro. Come on.
Oh, I think it was Malaysia.
Yeah. Cool. It was like, they call him Cool Runnings. All right, let's go. So this is a R35 GTR.
So this one's getting a big upgrade, isn't it?
Medium.
Medium.
Yeah, it's in sort of medium water. Not deep water yet.
Actually, yeah, that's a good point. That's a very good point.
Yeah.
So if you haven't already figured out, today's video is a workshop update, guys. So
Yeah.
Cheer forgot the introduction, so we're going to cut to one right now. And then we're going to reverse back to it, all right? That's going to be the opening. G'day, Cheer.
Hello.
Welcome to today's workshop update. All right, we're going to cut back to like the start, but anyway, let's go. All right, keep going.
Cool. All right, so next on the list was yellow S15. Yellow S15. Peter's giving some advice to our young apprentice.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper lads. This person here.
I'm hungry.
Who is this guy? Why is he working on this car? What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to work, bro.
So this is
I just want to go home.
Aussie.
we are doing
System upgrade, mate. In bigger injectors, fuel rail, beautiful Turbo Smart FPR6.
Oh!
Turbo Smart. Why do you use Turbo Smart?
Because they're the best. Australian made and manufactured.
Aussie made.
So as you can clearly see, the footage has just stopped. So because I had the Rode microphones, maximum runtime is 4 minutes, and then the screen just freezes up for some reason. I have no idea why. Apparently my formatting of the SD card's a problem. There's a vacuum running, but anyway, that's cut short. Next video is cut short as well, so I'm spewing. There was so much missed. But what do you do? Sorry, guys.
Well, all right. Let's see what's happening in this room.
What do you reckon's happening here, Cheer?
We'll see Peter. It's Tuesday, day after our public holiday. What the? It's lunch, man. What do you? Pete,
We'll leave you alone.
we'll leave you alone. Talk. Oh, what, Peter? What are you doing today, Peter? We just want to give a workshop update. What can you show? What are we doing?
You're definitely going to have to stick that in his mouth because
I can never hear Pete on camera.
Sorry. There's multiple things going on at this very moment. There's a 34 adapter box with full expansion harness.
This is a 34. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a couple Haltech Evo 10 stuff over there.
Just stop here. So
Alright.
this is for the 34.
Yeah.
So isn't this just a plug and play kit here?
Yeah, so this is our plug and play kit.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
This
For
will
34
go-
GTR. Yeah.
Yep. So this will go to the M150.
Yeah.
And
So
this,
why so many extras?
so this car's got a whole bunch of sensors getting added on, full Ateza control, sequential gearbox control, drive-by-wire, and stuff like that. So
So this is an extra room to control all the.
all the extras that we're doing for the added modifications to the car.
Okay. So drive-by-wire and all the extra sensors. Can. Oh, nice. Nice. And this is like a pre-made kit, like that people can order.
Yeah, obviously different. Everyone has like different ways of doing things, but this is like our standard way of doing a car.
Yeah.
But if they wanted to add or remove sensors or things like that, then obviously things change.
I actually like this more, like, see how you saw covered in Raycam? Than the,
It's nicer.
yeah, it's much nicer.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
nicer.
like respective GTR type stuff.
Yeah. Especially in the engine bay and stuff, it's a lot nicer.
Yeah. Cool, cool. What else?
Making a couple Haltech Evo 10 kits at the moment.
Yeah.
So
So Haltech Evo 10.
yes.
Explain to me how Haltech Evo 10 can work.
Alright, one of these guys. So this is our Evo 10 adapter box. So factory Evo 10 loom, and this will go to any ECU now. Really, it was originally designed for a Motec, but now with a bit of modifications to the one-to-one loom, it fits a Haltech with our CAN gateway device as well.
Okay, so explain what the CAN gateway does.
So the CAN gateway kind of sits in between the Haltech ECU and the rest of the car to make the rest of the car happy in terms of the CAN and the dash and everything like that.
Makes every so there's no, I guess no, your dash is not just sort of flashing all errors. Is that correct?
Everything will work as factory.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have we got a solution for mounting this stuff? I know there's a lot of complaints about people having not be able to mount the stuff. Is that?
Yeah. At
Something?
this stage, we do.
Yep.
For left-hand drive vehicles, we don't yet.
Yeah.
Well, we don't have one for the ECU, but for the adapter box, yes. Right-hand drive, we do for the ECU and the adapter box.
I actually got one of our friends in America.
Yes.
He actually made the left-hand drive.
Yeah, Cosmic, I think, have an ECU bracket.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, maybe hopefully we can show that one day as well. All right, so that's a Evo 10 Haltech kit, plug and play.
Yep.
Cool. Which one's this one?
I bought the 33 of them.
Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's have a quick on this one. Excuse me, sir. We're going to our other shop there. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is Rob.
Hang on, you know what we do with that stuff?
Rob. He's
You know what they used to do in Rome?
Rob. Talk. You can't touch the microphone.
I'm not shoving that. I know where that's been.
We're gonna. Are you off?
He's a busy man.
He's the man. He's the. Peter. Can you introduce yourself?
I was reading about Rome. Right?
That's for another episode. That's for another.
I don't know if we got time for that, man.
This is the man behind
The world's first running twin cam billet head.
That's right.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. He's heard of it.
Let's go. Update. Let's go. All right, cool. What's this machine here, Peter?
That's our mill.
Yeah.
5-axis mill. We're just setting up to cut valve guides so we can install the guides and then cut the seats and finish it off, basically. That's the last operation.
So we can call it 12-inch high.
Get this guy out of here, would you?
So are the heads? This is the last operation you said?
Yeah, this is the last machining operation on the mill.
Yeah.
But then we've got to go over to the seat cutting machine and cut seats, fit the valves, fit everything up, and then it's bolt on ready.
So this is actually very close to being a done head now. How many hours left do you think is it to being complete? Or is there still lots?
Probably
What, like
Machine time, sorry.
machine time? Probably all up about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Machine, that's nice.
It's the setup that takes the time.
Okay. Cool. All right. So, what's the next phase for the Billet 26 head?
What's the next phase? We're going to bolt it onto something a little more powerful. We had to
When are we going drag racing?
purchase a new
Mate, I'd be very happy.
cylinder head seat cutting machine.
So you could drive it.
Oh, me? Well, don't tell the people
in
that.
the interest of
They're going to get
precision.
excited.
So, yeah, this guy's a whole lot more precise